severe thunderstorm warning for East Central DuPage County in northeastern Illinois until 5:45 p.m. At 5:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was p.m. At 5:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lyle, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Naperville, Wheaton, Downers Grove, Elmhurst, Lombard, Addison, Glen Ellen, Westmont, Lyle, Villa Park, Hinsdale, Burr Ridge, Oak Brook, York Center, Woodridge, Darien, Bensonville, Warrenville, Clarendon Hills, and Willowbrook. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is no